come here. Yeah. Okay, look at me, Regina dan Chelsea, praktekkan apa saja bisa bertanya tentang tadi. Greeting dulu, tegur sapa. Kemudian tanya tentang warna, tentang siapa punya siapa, milik saya, milik kamu. Oh ya, sudah. Oke. Ya, praktis apapun.
Hello. Hello. What is your name? My name is Chelsea Alsaira Dinatan. Where do you live? I live in House 5. What is color? Yellow.
Saling bertanya, nggak usah bisa saja si Chelsea juga ya.
What is color? Green.
Ya, punya siapa lagi? Panggil. Whose?
Whose pen is it? It's yours.
Iya, dia. Kamu juga ambil tanya yang lain juga. Ambil.
What's your book?
Ya.
Open your book.
Ya.
Close your book.
Ya.
Write your book.
Ya. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Give you to me.
Give it to me. Give your book
Give your book
to me.
to me.